How to get a EA Sports FC25 beta code. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. For now, let me head over to one of the articles which is gonna help you out. So in here, I have found one article written by Matt as the Gamer. Scroll down and in here, he has given you the step-by-step process that will increase your chances of getting the beta code directly from EA or through other means. Once again scroll down and these are the steps. So the very first step is you have to navigate to EA website and locate the About Me section. And this is where you'll find the necessary option to customize your preferences and receive updates. Once you're in the About Me section, click on the Email Preferences tab. Then you have to tick the box that allows EA to send you emails regarding their products, news, events, and promotions. It will ensure you to stay informed about any beta code opportunities. You have to scroll down to the Favorite Games section and make sure to tick every box. By doing so, you increase your chances of receiving updates and beta code opportunity for all the games you are interested in. That's how you will be able to receive the beta code. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can get EA Sports FC25 beta code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.